Pakan ko na lang to.
Let's go.
Okay, ready? Ready, guys? Okay, three,
We're ready. We're ready. We're ready.
Six.
three, two, one. Welcome to another episode of the Quiver Podcast and another Quiver Quickie DLS. Yeah, still not the last one.
Sorry.
Unfortunately, still not the last one. DLSU loses. Ano yung final score?
60-66.
63, 66.
Walang 6-7, walang 6-9.
Yeah, so against the UP Fighting Maroons. Okay, everyone wants to talk about that last play. Let's go straight to the ending. Talk about the last play.
Sige na sa inyo yun. Sa amin na rin.
Yeah. So last play for Vic, go through that last play again.
Hindi ko na maalala yung iba. Basta nag-end up kay Boris.
Dinenay si Jacob.
Yeah. Actually, Jacob was denied. So, binigay kay Boris yung last play. And then, Boris took a 3 na nag-in and out. Yun. So,
Could we have called a timeout there? Or the
actually,
coaches decided-
bago pa nung ano. Kasi bago pa tayo makatawid ng half court, we have one timeout left. So, that's one talking point there. Baka pwedeng tumawag ng timeout.
By principle, kung sa rule, pwede naman mag-timeout, no? Tama ba?
Dead ball.
Yung una, nung bago pa magano, pero once we inbounded the play, wala na, syempre hindi na tayo makakatawag ng timeout nun.
Tingnan nga, yung 23 seconds.
Wala na yun. That's our last chance to call a timeout. So we opted not to call one, and then yun, nagano na tayo.
For the record, we had one.
Yes, we had one timeout left na pwede itawag at that moment.
Okay, UP's interior defense during the maybe second, third, and fourth quarter is phenomenal. They denied our players inside. They consistently trapped our players, especially on top of the key.
Dun sa gitna eh.
Especially on top of the key. So, scenario. If Boris drove this and went for a 2, what do you think was a better shot?
Ako, I'd go for the 2, syempre. Kasi naka-shoot na siya kanina off the dribble jump shot to tie the game. Tama ba? Yung panabla. Naka-shoot na siya ng isa kay Harold eh. So, mas if I'm Boris, syempre, I'll go for the 2 points. Kasi tie lang naman kailangan ko.
Yes, same. Siguro drive, then pull up.
Or pwedeng mag-drive ka, then pag may nag-help, di ba? Maybe may extra
Maybe si
passes ka.
Jacob yung malibre.
Baka may ma-open na tao na pwedeng tumira ng better open shot. Malay mo kung may open na tres, di ba? But then, sa akin lang naman yun. I'm not saying mali si Boris because that was an in and out.
Yeah.
And we have to give him props for having the
for
courage
taking the
to,
shot. Yes. Ang ano lang natin dito is kung tayo yung may hawak ng bola.
Yeah, hypothetical.
Anong gagawin natin.
Yeah.
But we're not saying it was a bad
It's
shot
not a wrong decision.
by any means kasi it was an in and out. If that went in, di iba yung usapan natin ngayon dito.
Yeah.
If that went in.
No, I thought it was a pretty good shot. Medyo wide, from my angle, medyo wide open siya eh. Like,
it was a fadeaway, but it was a good look for him.
yeah, it was a good look for him eh. Oo. Okay. Well, that's so about Abadiano from UP. But I want to talk about our defense on Abadiano. I don't want to talk about Abadiano.
Okay.
Like, the defense we played against him was, bro, good solid yun
It was not bad.
Yeah, it was
Lahat
pretty
ng,
Wala ka naman
lahat ng last
masasabi.
challenge,
Ano na yun
puro
talaga?
challenge yung shots niya eh. Yung
Challenge
last
shots
3.
naman. Kaya lang talagang
He has that,
he made those shots eh. Wala tayong magagawa doon eh. But kumbaga wala na tayong
We couldn't ask for more
yeah,
na from that
we could
good
not
defense
ask for
side.
more defensively from our players on that instance.
Okay. All right. So, I hate to say it, but our backs are against the wall again. We've had so many games that we've had our backs against the wall, and I guess we're ending the season with that. From a neutral point of view, everybody wants a game 3. Here at the Quiver, we don't want a game 3.
but we will get it anyway.
Yeah.
We're getting one anyway.
Yeah, but it is a blessing. It is a blessing, nonetheless, that we still are playing a game 3, right? And hopefully the Green Archers can bounce back. Final takeaways, guys. Were you happy with the performance earlier?
Ako, oo, kasi to be honest, ang babalikan ko siguro in this game, yung second quarter wherein Jacob was fully denied ni Baila, and then Actually, tama yung ginagawa natin dun na Jacob goes to the corner to give space for a 4-on-4 play. So,
Execution
kung babalikan ko tong game na to, that's where I would focus. Kasi that's the only thing na uulitin ng UP sa game 3. I don't see any more adjustments if we score on those, yung 4-on-4s na yon, kung mauulit yung ganong scenario na on game 3 and we are able to score from it, I don't see any. Kumbaga, that's siguro yun na yung pang title clinching moment for us if we're able to execute plays na naka full denial sila kay Jacob.
Ikaw, Brian, Willie.
Willie muna. Sige.
Sige, go ahead.
Sige, ako na. It was so-so. Yun nga, may moments that we held our own on defense. But the problem was we also sumasabay tayo nagkakalat din tayo turnovers. We couldn't capitalize on our defensive execution.
Yung fourth quarter, ang dami nating stops pero on the other end, we were committing turnovers.
I hate to say it, but medyo difference yung free throws in terms of how each other did that. But sabi nga ni brother, nakasuot natin kanina, part and parcel na yun. Parang,
Ako hindi ko na masyado babalikan yun kasi there are other points in the game yun nga. Yung binanggit natin.
yung 12-0 run was huge for UP.
Every time we got a stop ng fourth quarter, hindi tayo nakaka-convert kasi we are hurting ourselves on turnovers.
Kung hindi man turnovers to parang shots that we don't like, that we are playing into UP's defense.
Para tayo nagmamadali.
And we got them into penalty early pero parang di natin na-maximize.
Yes, parang di ba, binabanggit ko kay Brian kanina, we should attack that zone rather than settling on outside shots. Kasi mas penalty na sila So, kumbaga mas ma-take advantage natin yung penalty.
Yung defense hindi yung to get the free throws yung defense nila sana yung na-take advantage.
Yes, correct.
Ikaw, Willie.
Willie, go.
Di lang umabot ng 69 points, pero wala rin naman mangyayari. Talo pa rin.
It's okay.
I mean, okay, fine. I'm just looking at the season stats. And I know this can sound like a joke, but every time LaSalle goes past 69 points, we kind of do better.
Tama.
So,
Not saying winning, but doing
better.
better.
Yeah, exactly. So, the last game, we exceeded 69 points. I think most of the games this season, we exceeded 69 points. So, that's kind of part and parcel for that. Okay, anyway, that being said,
We still have a main episode.
there's another episode. There's a game 3 coming up, and all out support for the Green Archers. This is it. Do or die Wednesday.
Ito na talaga.
Yeah,
Yan na yan.
ito na yon.
This is it, pansit na.
But also, we trust
our free throws.
our free throw.
We trust our 3-point shots.
Yes.
We trust our rebounding. We trust our defense.
and Coach Topex.
We trust everybody.
Yeah. Overall, I think it was a good game, a typical LaSalle UP game, at least over the last 3 seasons, na very nip and tuck, very grind out, and at the end of the day,
Ibahin ng dibdib sa dulo.
and at the
If we're looking at mga patterns, baka parang last year lang din to, na parang hindi siya momentum shifter, more of survival lang talaga tong game 2 na to for them.
Which we have to give credit kasi mahirap yun.
Oo naman.
So let's actually, you're right, no? Last year, KQ bailed us out ng game 2 This year, maybe you can say the same thing about Abadiano.
Kala ko siya alter bailed us out Muntik na.
Yeah. So, all right. So that's it for this episode of the Quiver Quickie. Don't forget to like and follow us. And we still have another main episode coming up.
Recap and preview.
Yeah. To the Green Archers, to the fans, don't feel too down. We played well.
Wala namang talaga.
Oh.
We did what we had to
Yes.
do. We adjusted. Kaya lang, yun nga, we were not able to execute. So yun yung naging problema talaga.
Yeah, breaks of the game
But that's the
We
good
have to
thing
clean
about
it up.
having a room for error for us.
Kumbaga, ito na talaga yung twice to beat natin. Let's make it count. Sana!
Yeah.
And also, to the crowd, to the lucky crowd that will be able to watch on Wednesday, I hope you match the energy that you showed earlier. Grabe, championship crowd yun.
Can I just, sige, before we end this episode, can you imagine if that shot of voice went in?
Siyempre, wala na.
Bro.
Ayoko na imagine. Ayoko na.
Magulo yun,
Hindi,
pare,
maybe
magulo
for
yun.
another day. Maybe it's a Wednesday.
No, I
Maybe
mean,
not Boris.
yeah.
Maybe
No, I mean, my point is, that's how close it was.
fine margins.
That's how close it was.
For the win na yun.
And UP's not a bad team. UP's a great team. and it'll be a good
I was just
Wednesday.
imagining kung Macbelo timing. That was
Oo,
it.
parang ganun.
Oo, hindi si
But
Mac,
it's okay.
si Mac wide open yun eh. Wide open yun si Mac eh.
Hindi gets ng UP fans eh.
Oo.
Hindi na kilala, hindi na
Tama
kilala.
na, tama na. Okay na.
All right, so thank you for listening to The Quiver. Please like and subscribe to our page. And as always, Animo
Animo Lasal.
Lasal.